Hi, I'm the Crazy Cricut Lady. We're going to talk about images and working with the image menu. This little button over here calls up images. Now when you do this, you may get different images. It appears everyone is different based on what they may have been recently working with. If you're looking for a specific image, we'll start here with first how you look at them. This button over here changes how many images appear on the screen at one time. And as you can see, it has a lot of images. But just a little bit about the images themselves. This little A in the corner with the green flag means that it is an access image. If you have access, all of those images are free. If you don't have access, it'll have a little price in the corner. This one is free. These are 99 cents. This one's $1.49. It varies. Usually they're under $2. This little information button takes you to this window. It tells you what the name of the graphic is. This one happens to be Top Hat. And it tells you what cartridge they are on. This is a photo booth prop. And if you click that, it will show you all of the images in that cartridge. And that cartridge is an access cartridge. So all of the images on there are access images. We'll go back to images now. You can put them in categories, or you can search by cartridge. But let's say today I want to search flowers. Now, I'm going to show you something else. When you search flower, you get these images. When you search flowers with an S, you get a different set of images. So if you're looking for something in particular, if you don't find exactly what you're looking for, try the plural or try the singular, and you may get what you want. This is all flowers. There are ways to filter this. If you click filter, you can see my images. That's all the images you've uploaded, and you see I've uploaded a few. That's all the free images and all of the ones you have previously purchased. It does not necessarily include all the access images. If you click uploaded, that's all the flower images that you've uploaded. I've uploaded quite a few. If you click free, that gives you all of the free images. Cricut changes those periodically, but if you use them in a project and later they get switched off not free, they'll stay free as long as you used them. They were free. If you click access, it gives you all of the Cricut access images. And I do highly recommend access, because look at all the images you get. I mean, if you were to try to find these images, it would take hours of looking. And if you were to buy them from Etsy or someone site that sells SVG images or graphics of any type, it would cost a fortune. This access is $9.99 a month if you pay monthly, and it just gives you a lot of different images to work with. I can always find something at least close to what I like with access. And then if you click purchased, these are all the ones I bought the cartridges. They're usually cartridges I've had for years. I don't really purchase images anymore because Access has so many. But these are from old cartridges I used to own that got transferred into Design Space. Now we're going to try selecting some images and working with those images. These are pictures of frames that you can put around images, and you can select what you want. We're going to select a few frames. You can select multiple images and they all show up down here. And if you want to eliminate one, say, oh, nope, I don't want that one. I found a better one that I like more. You can eliminate them. And then you can insert images. They'll stack them all on top of each other right there. Okay, these are the images. Now over here you can see this one's called the flourish frame, the burst frame, the swirl frame, the plant frame. You can see that some of them have parts of the image that are hidden. You can bring those back by clicking the little eyeball. And you can see the color layer that was underneath it comes back. That's the frame, that's the little color layer. This one has a little color layer too, so does that one. If you wanted to eliminate that color layer and don't ever want it again, you can delete the color layer and then you're left with just the frame. If for some reason you want, say you want to use this frame, we're going to get rid of the rest of these. Say you want to use this frame, but you don't want the whole thing. You want to be able to put something in the middle there. Well, I'm going to show you how to cut apart an image. You get what I refer to as my scissors. You cover up the parts you don't want. Usually this requires you to unlock the shape. Okay, so I've covered that up. Hit shift to select both those images and slice. Now, when you take it apart, that's my scissors. They're gone. You have the black piece, that is the part that was cut out of the square. And you have these two pieces now, which are cut apart. And you can use one or both, but as you can see, they're both called slice result, and they're both right there. Now, if you wanted to put text in, ta-da, guess what we're going to write? Happy birthday. Make it a little smaller, and you want to put it between those two right there. Ta-da! Now you've got the happy birthday between the two parts of the frame. Now when it was together, happy birthday wouldn't have fit there. But now you can put it around there and have both parts. Or if for some reason you don't want one of the parts, you can just hide it. Or you can delete it. But that's a way to cut images so that they can be exactly what you want them to be. I'm Carmel. I'm the Crazy Cricut Lady, and thank you for joining us on another segment of Design Space. There's nothing to be scared of.